Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CERC. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very, very solid day for the price. Started off strong, got quiet again, and then in the afternoon, I don't know if some more news or something came out, or maybe some shorts were trying to cover. I don't know, but volume came pouring in, and the price reacted very nicely with it. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that's right there at $1.05. Now, if the price does drop below $1.05, by no means am I saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the strongest? Definitely staying up above that $1.05 mark. Next level of support after that would be this breakout point down here, and that sits at 87 cents. So $1.05, 87 cents. The first initial areas of support, taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things and really kind of trying to simplify the quote-unquote story of the price is in regards to that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Now, I realize that that line is way down there, the price is way up there, but the keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to draw itself like this. I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people, because that's what essentially they are. It's going to be a trend line that draws itself for you, and when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to do over time in order to stay above an increasing line? Well, the price itself needs to keep on increasing, and that's what long-term, truly strong stocks do, right? They uptrend, and that's why I love charts. You know, and you look at them a certain way, they almost insult your intelligence. So again, very basic way, very simplistic way to look at the chart. As long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, I'm actually going to go to the daily time frame, because we're going to have to go back quite a bit of ways in the chart's history here, which is a good problem to have, I should note. So let's see. Next key level, is that where the price got rejected from today? Yeah, right there at $1.23. So that makes perfect sense. Why do I say it makes perfect sense? When we look back here, you can see this same level right here, right around a dollar. What did I say? $1.25. What is that? High. $1.24. $1.24 knocked down the price there. And then also struggling with it. Not saying that it's impossible to break through that level, just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling there right now. After that $1.24 mark, next key level of resistance at $1.50. So all in all, no doubt about it, very powerful day today. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can carry this momentum into next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.